Hello, my name is Charmaine and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much. If you would like to see how I designed that notebook that you saw in my thumbnail, stay tuned. We are here on Cricut Design Space. The first thing we need to do is upload our image. So we go to upload right here. And I'm going to use her right here. So I'll click on her once and I go to insert image over here on the right hand side at the bottom. And she's way too big. I'm gonna she's not really too big, but I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna be using this notebook right here. And so I'm gonna measure this notebook with my ruler. And I think I'm going to go 7 wide. So 7 is the width, and probably 6. Well, 7 is the width, and then we can let the computer do the rest. So 7. So we go up here at the top, right here, and put in 7. 7.0, and then enter. And you can see how she's going to change. And there we go. See, that'll do. I like it around that size. So it's going to be 7.0 by 6.3. So let's see how that 6.3 going to look on the notebook. Yeah, it'll be good. I'm using this little measuring tip right here to measure the width and the width. So you see, so to make sure the picture is nice and perfect in the middle of the book, of the notebook. And I got my notebook from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so first thing we need to do is, let's see, ungroup her. Let's make the screen a little smaller so we can see what we're doing. We can move her all around right now. The first thing we need to do is ungroup her, because you see all these groups over here? We don't want all this. We don't want to cut all this. We want to group her up. We want to ungroup her, then group her back up. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Okay, so first thing we do, we select the whole image. Then we go over here to ungroup. Okay, now we're going to take away her hair. Then we're going to group this all together, because see how right now all her hair is right here highlighted right here. So once I group it back together, it'll be cut in one place. So I selected that, and watch this when I group it. Weld it. See how they're all connected? And this is going to be one cut right here, okay? So now let's take her skin over here out the way. And look at her skin over here. See how it's all ungrouped? And this is going to be cut like that. We don't want that cut like that. We want it cut like this. So we're going to go ahead and select it with our cursor. Then we're going to pay attention to this when I group it. You're going to see it. When I weld it, you're going to see how it's going to weld together. See? Now it's right here. It's going to cut just like this. Okay? So now we have that. And then now we have our earrings. So let's go to our earrings. Let's click on that and weld it. Now that's going to be cut together right here. Okay? And let's do her eyes. Move these earrings out the way. Let's do her eyes. We need these for the white parts of her eyes, because you don't want her eyes to be the same color as her notebook. So we're going to weld this. Look at that. So now we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts, because we welded it all together. Okay? So this is the best way to do it when you're doing layers. You ungroup it, then you weld them together. So now just basically after we cut it, we're gonna be putting together like a puzzle on our notebook, just like this. Okay. Just like so. And our earrings is connected, so you put them right there. Make sure after you measured your image out and you change everything, do not change the width or size again, because it will mess it up. It will not fit like it's supposed to on your image. Okay. So now let's see how it's going to look after it's been cut. We don't have to take it apart again if you don't want to, but I just did just to do it. So now we go up here to make it. Okay. So now we're gonna have a white sheet on our mat. This is our vinyl, our white vinyl. Then we have our black vinyl. Like I said before in my previous videos, just try to pull it down so you can see how the hair is on that line. and her finger is touching the line, pull it over some. I don't know why Cricut does that, because I done wasted a lot of vinyl before, so just make sure you pull it over before you print it, before you cut it, because you don't want that to, you don't want to lose any of your image. Okay, so I just moved over just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and cut everything out, and I'll be back. I have everything weeded out. There's the face, there's the skin, the eyes, and I had the earrings over here. I didn't weed those out yet because I don't want them to get lost, but they're right here. Made them purple. So first we gotta do is put the skin down first, and I noticed that because she has eyebrows right here. So if we put this on top of her face, the eyebrows will be covered. Okay, so we gotta put the skin down first and put this on top. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I got my contact paper, and I got this contact paper from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and put this on. Make sure it's straight and no bubbles, because it will be hard to get it on that notebook. Want to know how I know? Because this is my second video trying to get this together. And the first one I had on bubbles. I had bubbles in my contact paper because I tried to reuse it. And I also put the skin, the face on first before the skin, and I figured out it didn't work. So I'm telling y'all my little mishaps, so y'all won't do the same thing I did. So let's see. So now I learned that I have to put the skin on first. Because the first notebook I did is ruined. But, so I always gotta practice, practice, practice. Keep on doing this until we sticks on the contact paper. Okay, let's see if we have it. Here we go. It's better to do it this way. Let's see. There we go. And there we go. So now I'm gonna lay the skin on first on the notebook. And put it down here so it can give me some more room for the rest of the notebook. Let's see. Make sure this is straight. Probably about right here. Will do. Okay. I'm gonna start from the top and bring it on down. Nope. A little bit more oomph in it. Okay. Hope you can see that. It's really good to go down with it with a little angle. It should come right off. Ta-da! Let's see if we can get that face on there as good as we did the skin. So let's go ahead and do this one. I'm gonna try to do the top first so I won't get no bubbles and brush it on down. Let's see if I can do it with no bubbles. Let's go ahead and lay it on down. Okay. Try to get the edges so it can stick on the contact paper. Good. Top again. Let's go ahead and just rub it down out of there. Pull it on out. Thought that would work. Do a little angle with it, and there we go. Now let me see if I can get this straight. Okay, I got her lined up pretty good. Kind of proud of myself. What I did was start from the left and work my way this way. Okay, now I'm just trying to get this on here. see what I can do. Oh, the nose came off. Ah, bubbles. Go ahead and close that back up and do this nose a little bit. There we go. Okay, the nose is down there perfect. Go ahead and bring it on down off this hair. It's really tight. Okay, the ear popped off. And there we have it. So now let's do the eyes. The eyes look pretty cool with the silver, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyes anyway. Put some. This one here like so. Scrape it on there. Together here. Perfect. And this one is perfect. Go ahead and scrape that for you a little bit. Stick on there. Look at us, a little Miss Lady. There we go. Let's do these earrings and we'll be done. Look at her. Okay, I added the earrings and I also decided to add a name. I thought this little girl was so cute, so I ended up putting my daughter's name on there. Her name is Shayla. She always wear her hair like this, and she's 20. So I was like, oh, this would be cute for her just to have. So this is the end product. So please, if you want to see more content like this, more videos like this, please subscribe and click on that bell so you can get the notifications that when I be uploading new videos. Sorry, I can't talk today. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to check out my book bag video. I did a personalized video with a little boy on it with HGTV vinyl. See you next time.